Okay, so in this video, I'll explain my second project, which is the NASA Space Apps project. So basically, our category was explaining and demonstrating how pulsating stars work and function. So in this project, I try to simulate pulsating stars. As you can see here, each star is pulsating. Each star has a different color, a different temperature, etc. And this project aims to encapsulate and demonstrate all of those stars properties and how they change and how each property being changed changes the other properties. So for example, we can pick this star in here. Let's pick this purple one. The name is derived from the NASA Space Apps provided star catalog, which is something they gave us in during the competition. Right, let's zoom in quite a bit. So this is the purple one. We can increase the radius, and as the radius increases, so does the luminosity, which is according to this law here. R is equal to the square root of the luminosity divided by 4 pi multiply a constant multiplied by temperature by 4. So luminosity basically is a measure of how star is how strong a star emits light. The more the better. We can also decrease the temperature a little bit. As the temperature decreases, the color changes. The maximum temperature is basically purple, the minimum one is basically red, and everything in between is the normal spectrum from red to blue. How do I calculate this? I calculate this using Wien's law, which is this one here. It relates the wavelengths of the color emitted by a star into the temperature, and then I take that wavelength, which is a physical quantity, like a thing that we can see, and convert it into computer colors, red, green, and blue, which I can then use to generate the color of the star here. Alright, so that's the part of how star properties depend on each other. I can also change the period of the star. For example, I can make the period much bigger, which basically makes the star almost like takes a very long time to fade away. And I can also increase the maximum magnitude, which increases the maximum luminosity of the star. But this makes things a little bit pixely due to the nature of the lighting framework in JavaScript, so I choose to make it slightly smaller. There's also the functionality of making my own star, which I can do here. A star, and appeared here, this star. Its name is DD and it basically like has the default properties of a star, but I can also manipulate it to having better colors, bigger radius, etc. This is for this project, and thanks for listening.